I can definitely conclude that the addition of an intake silencer on this thing is definitely improving the overall output of the sound. It's working a hell of a lot better now. And I've actually added a bit of weight, just some little pieces of about 2mm thick steel plate I've just glued on with some araldite onto the rotor, and that's also increased the wind down slightly, and it's working a lot better. I've even put some little bits of LE flash on each of these tips here, right on the edges, the sharp edge of the stators, and that takes a little bit more tolerance up. Not a huge amount, because otherwise we start getting collision issues, because the fins of the rotor are actually slightly uneven, like some are further out than others. So I've sort of got to go to the ones that are furthest out, and they're what's really making the noise, but more than the others. But trouble is, if I had a $10,000 lathe, I'd be able to turn a rotor dead centered, perfectly round, and get a real nice tone out of it. But unfortunately I don't, so I've sort of got to go with what I've got, but it works alright, which is the main thing. I've also, with the addition of that, I've actually had to modify the casing as well, in terms of taking off the plastic plate that was over it and putting the top of a vent cap on, and that way I get a decent flow of air up in here, and then it basically just goes up through that, what would be the original venting flute right there, but that's now the air intake, just goes in through there, and then down into the top, because that flute just sits over the top of this, and that way it sort of holds it in place. It stops this moving around, and it holds the casing on. But other than that, it's working really good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching.